said no reminisce. Still drama, I could always depend on my mama. But when it seems that hopeless, you say the words that get me back in focus. When I was sick as a little kid, she kept me happy, there's no limit to the things did. And all the childhood memories are full of all the sweet things did for me. And even though I'm crazy, I gotta thank the Lord that you made me. There are no words that can express how I feel. He never kept a secret, always stayed real. And I appreciate how you raised me and all the extra love that you gave me. I wish I could take the pain away. You can make it through the night, that's a bad day. Everything will be alright if you hold on. It's a struggle every day, you gotta roll on. There's no way I can pay you back, but I'm glad to show you that I understand. You are real.